Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you do not know me already, my name is Abner G, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get these beautiful bold brows, as well as what products I use, and we'll be going from beginning to end so I can spill all the tea and show you how to get beautiful brows.
Real hot girl shit.
Okay, so I brought you guys closer so you can see exactly what it is that I'm going to do. And firstly, I'm going to grab that spoolie that I showed you guys, and I'm going to brush my brow hairs up and out of the way. Then with the brow pomade, we're going to start in the arch of the brow, and we're gonna go outwards. And what I like to do with my eyebrows is, if you guys don't know, your eyebrow starts here and your eyebrow arch is supposed to be next to the iris of the eye, and then your brow tail is supposed to follow your nostril, your outer V out here. So my brow tail is supposed to be extended, and so I like to extend my brow tails. And so from here, I'm going to go back in with that spoolie, and I'm going to brush the hairs downward so that I can make sure to get the precise application. And we're going to start halfway here and start dragging downward to meet that tail, like so. Now from here, I like to go over the top and start going inwards. And so then you have these nice guidelines. And so from here, I'm gonna get some more product. And with this extra product, I'm going to go ahead and start filling in between those two guidelines to start darkening the eyebrow. And you know, to each his own. Everybody likes their brows differently. Some people like to go heavy-handed, some people like to go light-handed. It's really just a personal choice. And so then from here, I'm going to go in with that comb that I showed you guys, and I'm going to start blending through. And so then I'm gonna go back with whatever's left, just to make sure that there's no gaps and that everything's even. And so then this is what we have. So I went ahead and filled in the other side off camera, and now we're gonna grab that concealer from Makeup Revolution. This one's in the shade C5, and what I like to do is I like to put some right on the arch. And for me, that's just enough. I don't really need much more. And so then I'm going to take that detailed concealer brush, and I'm going to start cleaning up the brow. And what I mean by cleaning up is we're really just going to cut it to make sure it's really clean and defined. So after we've done that, I like to take my finger, my forefinger, and I just like to tap lightly so that I can blend it out. And the reason why I like to use a lighter shade is to also give us that highlight underneath the brow bone, so that it's not just plain. Although, you know, everybody has their own opinion, this is just how I like mine. And so there you have it. And so now, taking some of that Maybelline setting powder, we're just going to set underneath the brows for both sides. And so then a little trick that I like to do is I like to grab a little more of that powder and add some to the front of the brows on both sides so that it gives it that light effect. And then taking that brow comb, I'm going to take the brush side and I'm just going to brush that excess powder off. So now taking some of that e.l.f. brow gel, we're just going to brush the hairs up, making sure that they're set in place so that they won't move throughout the day. And then I like to comb the little hairs that are slightly too long down. And we'll do the same thing to the other side to make sure that both of our eyebrows are set all day and they won't go anywhere. Taking some of the highlighter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills kit, we're going to apply some of that to the brow arch in our inner corner, and same thing for the other side. Make sure we're highlighted. Make sure we blind people, y'all blind them. And so here are the finished eyebrows. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Alright you guys, that is the final look. I finished my face makeup and I added some lashes. And if you guys like the way this turned out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, as well as turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time that I upload. If you guys would like me to try something out or you have an idea for a video, you can comment that down as well below. And if you guys would like to follow me on my makeup journey, you can do so at Abner_G01 on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.